Okay, let's talk about sciatica. So, sciatica is actually a name that is used for pressure that is running on the sciatic nerve, creating pain that goes into the legs. Typically, the sciatic nerve becomes irritated in the region of the lower back. Now, it can get irritated in some other areas as well, like the piriformis muscle, and even as it passes through other parts of the leg. But the reality is that most sciatica originates because the bones in the lower back or the discs or the soft tissues are actually putting pressure on the sciatic nerve. We find oftentimes in our office that when patients have subluxations, so subluxations mean that there are subtle misalignments in the bones of the body, oftentimes that come as a result of very small accumulated postural things like sitting at desks all day long or driving in the car a lot or having a repetitive job where you're on your feet all day long. When spinal subluxations actually put enough pressure on the nerves in the lower back, people will oftentimes get the distribution of pain going into their hips, pelvis, into their thighs, sometimes even down to the tips of their toes. And it doesn't just have to be pain that somebody feels. They might feel numbness, they might feel tingling, they could have a burning sensation. Sometimes it'll skip a portion of the leg and somebody might just feel it tremendously along the outside of their calf. There's lots of different ways that it can present itself, but ultimately, the majority of sciatic cases we find in our office come from spinal subluxations that put pressure on the nerve roots in the lower back and are causing people to struggle with that sciatic nerve. It is something that can be easily helped, and there are many different strategies to be able to walk this out. It all starts, though, with a comprehensive, thorough consultation to determine what the root cause of your sciatica issues are. Once those root cause issues are revealed, then at that point, people can begin to implement the proper strategies to limit progression, create healing, get the pressure off the nerves, and become symptom and pain free.